Attention presents the Theta Optical Tensiometer for the measurement of contact angle, surface free energy, surface tension, interfacial tension, and interfacial rheology. First, a quick overview of Theta. Theta is equipped with a liquid dispenser, a light source, a sample stage, and a high-quality video camera. We will start with a contact angle measurement. Contact angle measurements are utilized to study the wettability of surfaces. This is especially useful in processes like coating and painting, where good wettability is required to ensure good adhesion. Here, theta is used to measure the contact angle between water and a silicon wafer. First, the wafer is placed on the sample stage. Theta's sample stage is easily adjusted. Then a drop of water is deposited on the wafer surface. You can also visualize the drop on your screen. The analysis mode can be chosen within seconds. Here we select contact angle with the Young Laplace fitting method, then play the recipe to start the measurement. The software detects the drop deposition and start measuring the left and right contact angles in real time. The recording stops automatically as programmed in the recipe. The recorded images can be analyzed further in the Analysis tab by simply opening the desired measurement record. Results can be plotted as a function of time in a few clicks using the graph function of the software. Contact angle measurement can be followed by surface-free energy calculations. Surface-free energy, or SFE, can also provide valuable information on the wetting properties of your surface. This can be done by measuring the contact angle of the solid with at least two different probe liquids, one polar and one dispersive. The Attention software enables easy SFE calculations by simply selecting the desired contact angle points and sending them to the SFE calculation window. This is done for each probe liquid result. Here, we have used the most common probe liquids, which are water, ethylene, glycol, and diiodomethane. When pressing the Calculate button, Attention provides the surface-free energy of your solid according to most used theories. Next, we will measure surface tension. The pendant drop method is used to measure surface tension of liquids. It is especially useful when only a limited amount of sample is available. A drop is first dispensed from the needle. This technique can also be used to measure the interfacial tension between two liquids. You can also visualize the drop on your screen. Here, the surface tension measurement mode is already selected. When pressing the play button, the surface tension and drop volume are measured in real time. The software automatically detects the drop shape and the tip of the needle. The fitted curve can be seen as a border around the drop. Once the measurement stops, results can be accessed from the Analysis tab by selecting the relevant measurement. It is then possible to obtain the average surface tension and standard deviation values using the statistic function. Theta can also perform minuscule measurement. The minuscule technique enables contact angle measurement on samples like hair, rods, and fibers. Here we will demonstrate how theta can be used to measure the contact angle of a single fiber. The fiber and the liquid sample vessel are put in place Then the sample stage is adjusted. The fiber is then immersed into the liquid sample. The minuscule can be seen on your screen, and contact angles on both sides of the fiber are measured in real time. Interfacial rheology can also be studied with Theta. In a liquid surface, active molecules tend to absorb to the surface. When the drop volume increases, the molecules at the surface are more distant from each other. This causes a rise in surface tension. Surface tension changes can be monitored to calculate interfacial dilatational, elasticity, and viscosity. Dilatational interfacial rheology provides information on the properties of the interfacial layer, whether it is at a liquid-liquid or gas-liquid interface. It is used to predict the behavior and stability of materials such as foams and emulsions. Dilatational interfacial rheology can be studied using the Attention Theta and its oscillating drop module PD200. The oscillating drop technique provides both the loss modulus, which accounts for the viscous property, and the storage modulus, which is function of the elastic characteristic. In practice, Theta is equipped with its PD200 module, enabling oscillation of drop volumes at desired frequency. Here, a pendant drop is dispensed from the needle to study the phenomena at the air-liquid interface. After setting up the desired drop oscillation frequencies, waiting times, and number of cycles, the measurement can be initiated by playing the recipe. The pendant drop is automatically dispensed and starts to oscillate, varying volume and frequency as programmed. The live measurement monitoring can be activated in a simple click. At the end of the set waiting time, the software starts recording the drop shape. The live measurement curves show how surface tension reaches stability at the end of the waiting time. The software makes sure that the volume of the droplet is constant throughout the whole measurement by automatically compensating possible liquid evaporation. Recorded measurements can be found in the analysis section of the software. For each frequency, it is possible to obtain the elastic modulus and the viscous modulus in a few clicks. Results can also be plotted in a few seconds. Theta Optical Tensiometer is the instrument of choice to measure contact angle and wettability. Please visit www.attention.com for additional information and to read about our other tensiometers.